Artificial intelligence is moving faster than ever, but behind the magic of smart AI models, there are powerful tools and frameworks that make everything possible. Think of them as the toolbox for AI engineers, helping us build, train, and deploy models quickly and efficiently. In this section, let us explore three of the most powerful ones. PyTorch, which is loved for its flexibility and research-friendly design. TensorFlow, which is known for large-scale deployments and production-ready solutions. And Hugging Face, which is for pre-trained models and natural language processing. These tools are what turn AI ideas into real-world applications, powering everything from chatbots to self-driving cars. So let us unlock the future of AI with PyTorch, TensorFlow, and Hugging Face. Let us talk about PyTorch, one of the most powerful deep learning frameworks today, which is built by Facebook AI Research Lab. What makes PyTorch special? It is known for its flexibility, simplicity, and Python-friendly design. What are the key features? It uses dynamic computation graphs, meaning you can build and debug models on the go. It has strong community support with tons of tutorials, pre-trained models, and contributors from developers worldwide. With TorchScript, you can take your research models and make them production ready, running smoothly on servers, mobile devices, or even embedded systems. And thanks to GPU acceleration, it delivers high performance training with CUDA integration. What are the use cases? PyTorch shining cutting edge research like NLP and computer vision, rapid prototyping of AI models, and even powering real world systems like recommendation engine and fraud detection. So think of PyTorch as the researcher choice, perfect for experimenting with new ideas while still strong enough for large scale deployment. Now let us talk about TensorFlow, one of the earliest and most powerful deep learning framework developed by Google Brain. TensorFlow is famous for its production grade scalability and a massive ecosystem of tools. What are the key features? It supports both static and dynamic graphs, giving flexibility and performance. With TensorFlow extended, you get a complete production pipeline for training, saving, and monitoring AI models. TensorFlow Lite brings AI to your phone and edge devices. TensorFlow.js lets you run AI models directly in your web browser. And with Google Cloud AI integration, deploying enterprise scale AI is seamless. What are the use cases? TensorFlow powers Google Search, YouTube recommendations, cloud native AI, and large scale deployment across web, mobile, and IoT. So think of TensorFlow as the enterprise powerhouse, perfect for companies that need scalable, production ready AI systems. Finally, let us look at Hugging Face, the platform that has truly transformed the AI world. Hugging Face is famous for making state-of-the-art AI model accessible to everyone. What started with transformation library has now grown into full AI ecosystems. What are the key features? The transform library gives you thousands of pre-trained models for text, images, audio, and more. The Model Hub is a massive community where developers share and reuse models. With datasets library, you can quickly test and train AI ideas. The inference API and spaces let you run model instantly in the cloud or even build AI apps without heavy coding. And it works seamlessly with PyTorch and TensorFlow. What are the use cases? Hugging Face powers chatbots, sentiment analysis, translation, summarization, and even generative AI like text to image or audio. Think of Hugging Face as the AI democratizer, putting powerful AI tools into hands of everyone, not just big tech companies. Now let us compare the three big names in AI framework: PyTorch, TensorFlow and Hugging Face. PyTorch is easy to use, works with dynamic graphs and is loved by researchers. It is best for research, prototyping and flexible projects. TensorFlow is the interface powerhouse. It is scalable, production grade and works great for large scale systems and enterprise AI solutions. Hugging Face is a community favorite with pre-trained models and easy access. It is perfect for NLP, generative AI and rapid deployment. To sum it up, PyTorch shine in research and innovation. TensorFlow rules enterprise deployment, and Hugging Face makes AI accessible to everyone. So each tool has its strength, so the best choice depends on your AI journey. Here are key takeaways when choosing your AI framework. PyTorch gives you flexibility for research. It is best for innovation, experimentation and pushing AI boundaries with dynamic computation graphs. TensorFlow shines in scalability and production. With a strong ecosystem, it is the go-to choice for enterprise-grade deployment and large-scale AI applications. Hugging Face is all about accessibility and pre-trained AI. It is perfect for NLP and democratizing AI, making powerful tools available to everyone through its massive model hub. In short, choose PyTorch for research flexibility, TensorFlow for production scalability, and Hugging Face for rapid deployments and easy access. Remember, many teams actually use more than one framework at different stages, so the best choice depends on your project goals.